Brad Williams, Excel Prime. The descriptive statistics analysis tool generates a report of univariate statistics for data in the input range, providing information about the central tendency and variability of your data. Boy, oh boy. This language is from, well, Microsoft. So I'm just reading what their descriptive text is. But that being said, we're just trying to find general information about data. Now they want to use univariate statistics. Well, look, we're looking for the mean, the standard error, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the variance, min, max, and what have you. And this descriptive tool will spit this out automatically. Is that good or bad? Well, it's good because you're going to get a quick overview of the data. But the bad is it's static. In other words, it's a one-shot deal, and anytime you want to change these numbers, you're going to have to regenerate this output. Not good. On the other hand, the various functions within Excel will allow you to build your own, which I strongly encourage you. Let me just show you how you do it. You're going to see mean. There's an average, indirect, and mean equals average. Why do we use an indirect? Because we're trying to get a count across and down. So we use average, indirect, n. You could go average and then take this average, but then this indirect works so much easier. Control, method 1, method 2, well, don't worry about that. Those are just labels. Standard error, you can use simple math. We're just taking the median, the mode. Again, these are functions, built-in functions. We've talked about these before. Standard deviation, that's another function. The variance tool, the kurtosis tool, the skew tool, range, which is just the absolute value, the min, the max, the sum, the count, the confidence interval, confidence level. That's something you're going to put in yourself because we're going to reference that number here. And if you don't know what confidence level is, break out your statistics book, read up on confidence level. It's just the standard deviation. Confidence level is the equivalent of a standard deviation of a sample. In order to build this, well, you know the routine. We're going to go data analysis, descriptive statistics, hit OK. Input range, group by row, labels in, output where. We're just going to put it right underneath this other. You can put your summary statistics. We're going to keep a confidence level 1, and then our kurtosis, leave everything as they are. Hit output right here. Hit OK. Please choose one or at least one statistics option. OK. What option? Summary statistics, and hit OK. There you go. I have pretty much the same data here. See 391, and then you're going to probably have to go in and change this. So you're going to see the exact same data. I prefer this model because if I change this data, I want this information self-built, descriptive statistics. I want this information updated, but you have choices. Get rid of this, highlight anywhere around the range with empty cells above, just copy down, Control D, and it's done. If you, on the other hand, Control Z, if you just hit delete, it's going to leave the borders. So hit Control D and it gets rid of that stuff. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.